Hi everyone! In today's class we will learn the process of simplifying fractions. But I will show you a slightly different way which is used in mathematics. How to reduce fractions. I will write down a fraction for you and then we will simplify it in several ways. So let's proceed to the next fraction, which is 8 over 24. This will be our focus now. I need to simplify this fraction, that is, make it less complex or reduce its size. The numerator should be reduced multiple times and the denominator must be reduced multiple times. To achieve this, how can we proceed without drawing and showing the expected result that will emerge from our actions and efforts? Why will not I represent these fractions like we do? Because of the presence of a very large denominator. It is inconvenient. Hence, let us make sure to recall the divisors associated with every number in order to avoid any errors. Therefore, I am currently engaged in the act of writing. I am in the process of dividing the number 8 into its constituent parts. Which numbers can be divided by the number 8? Well, naturally these are 1, these are 2, 8 can be divided by 1, 8 can be divided by 2 with no remainder, 8 can be divided by 4, and 8 can be divided by 8. So the numbers that 8 divides by are 1, 2, 4, and 8 with no remainder in each case. We managed to figure it out using the number 8. Presently, we will proceed to write down all the divisors of the given number, which is 24. 24 divisible by 1 and 2 with no remainder. Divided by 1 is 24, by 2 is 12. Performing the division operation, we divide 24 by 3 to get the result of 8. I am capable of dividing 24 by 4. I have the ability to perform division on 24 using the divisor 6. 24 I can divide by 8, 12, and 24. So what's the big deal here? The main point is that we will now choose common divisors. I have the ability to divide 12 and 24 by 24. So what is the big deal in this situation? The main point is that we will now choose the divisors that are common to both sets of numbers. Common divisors. The numbers 8 and 24 have common divisors between them, and this will be a single one. This is the numeral 1, and this will be a double 2. This is the digit 2. This will be represented as the number 4 in its numerical form. Furthermore, there is the 8th one. So what? The issue that I want to emphasize is that I have the ability to divide it by 1, 2, 4, and 8, which gives me multiple options for division. However, it is extremely simple to select the greatest common divisor as well.
So I make a selection based on the highest common factor with you. The highest common factor
of these numbers is determined to be 8. So what is so special about it? And the thing is, I have the ability to divide the numerator by the greatest common divisor, which is 8. And I can also divide 24 by 8. When you divide 8 by 8, the result will be 1. Similarly, when you divide 24 by 8, the result will be 3. As a consequence, we were able to reduce the fraction. Firstly, we identified the divisors of the number 8, wrote them down, recorded the divisors of the number 24, and subsequently selected the common divisors along with the greatest common divisor. This is how fractions are reduced. At the next lesson, I will show you another way to simplify fractions, and for today, that's all. Goodbye. See you next time.